So, good morning, students. Today is 2nd of November 2020. We are going to start the new chapter, chapter number 9. Madam Rides the Bus, written by Valai, right? So, in this sensitive story, an 8-year-old girl first bus journey into the world's outside her village is also her induction into the mystery of life and death. She sees the gap between our knowing that there is death and our understanding of it. So, an 8-year-old girl, she understands the mystery of life and death. Okay, after going outside from her village or from her home. So let us see what happened with her. Okay, so take out page number 117, part 1. Madam Ride the Bus, part 1. There was a girl named Valaimai who was called Vali for short. So there was a girl, shortly we can say her name is Vali. She was 8 years old and very curious about things. So we can say that she was interested to know each and everything about her surroundings, about society, about her family, or about everything she wants to know. Her favorite pastime was standing in the front doorway of her house watching what was happening in the street outside. So she used to spend time outside the front door of her house and watching what was going outside or in the street. उसका पास टाइम पास करने का एक ही तरीका होता था कि वो अपने घर के दरवाजे के डोर पर खड़ी रहती थी और बाहर आने जाने वालों को गलियों में क्या हो रहा है उन सबको वो देखती रहती थी. Watching what was happening in the street outside, there was no playmates of her own age on her street, and this was all about that she had to do. So one bad luck is that there were no playmates of her own age. उसकी एज के उसके घर के आसपास में उसकी एज के कोई भी बच्चे नहीं थे. That is why she used to spend time sitting watching outside the street or outside what was happening. इसलिए वो अपना टाइम पास इस तरह करती थी, बाहर बैठ के देखती थी कौन लोग जा रहे हैं आ रहे हैं, like that she was used to watching it. But for Wally, standing at the front door was every bit as enjoyable as any of the elaborate games other children played. But she used to enjoy this moment. This is the best part of her. That it is not her only pastime, but the moment that she wants to spend outside or watching the people or the street, she used to enjoy it, that moment. She didn't go get bored or she didn't fed up. वो जो उस समय जो बाहर खड़ी होकर देखती थी लोग आ रहे जा रहे, वो उस मोमेंट को एंजॉय करती, उसके लिए बोरिंग नहीं था एवरीडे टू वॉच. हर दिन बाहर खड़े होकर देखना, हम तो 4 दिन के बाद ही बोर हो जाते हैं. एक चीज को अगर बार बार चीज दिखाया जाए बार बार तो वी गेट बोर. बट वर्ली इज नॉट सच टाइप ऑफ गर्ल. उसे बहुत अच्छा लगता था. शी एंजॉयड दैट मोमेंट. ओके, सो watching the street gave her many new unusual experiences. That is important. Watching the street, that gave her a new unusual, not unusual one, that is unusual experiences of her life. It means that she learned many things while watching what happening around here. Okay, तो वो वॉच करती थी कि क्या हो रहा है उसके आसपास. उसे हर एक नया अनयूजुअल अनुभव सीखने को मिलता था. सोचिए एक 8 इयर्स की ओल्ड गर्ल, उसमें उसके माइंड में कितनी बड़ी बात माइंड में आई, स्ट्राइक करी है कि जो वो बाहर खड़ी हो दैट इज नॉट अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम और पासिंग द टाइम, हम सोच रहे हैं दैट इज पास टाइम। हाँ, फॉर अ मोमेंट इट इज देयर, नो डाउट, बट उससे वो चीज क्या गेन कर रही है, उससे वो क्या बेनिफिट प्राप्त कर रही है, वो चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो वो उससे ये चीज एक नया अनुभव, every day he used to get, sorry, she used to get a new unusual experiences, that is very important, okay na? Now page 10, page number 118. The most fascinating of all, the most fascinating thing of all was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. The most fascinating one, she enjoyed it, that the bus that ride from her village to the nearest town, that makes her fascinating. That she looks like miss with an enjoyable moment. वो उसे इतना फील करके देती थी, जो बस डेली उसके विलेज से लेके नियरेस्ट टाउन के पास तक जाती थी, उसका जो था राइडिंग इन बस, दैट इज अ मोस्ट फैसिनेटिंग फॉर हर। इट पास थ्रू हर स्ट्रीट each hour, once going to the town and then once coming back. Okay, every day that bus going to used to pass from her street and then returning back. Timing is there, bus timing तो फिक्स होता ही है, तो बस का वहां बसें जितनी आती थी फिर वापस रिटर्न होके जाती थी, like that moment she used to spend and watching each and every bus. Okay, the sight of the bus filled each time with a new set of passenger was a source of unending joy for Wally. So the sight of the bus is the first thing for which fascinates her. Second thing, each time what she observed that a new set of passenger was there. हर गाड़ी में नए नए पैसेंजर होते थे. That is also fascinating. That is the source of joy that she wanted. से मिलता था वो चीज. नए नए पैसेंजर को देखना, एक ही पैसेंजर को नहीं देखती थी. वो वहां पीछे खड़ी रहती थी and she experiences that every time she is a new passenger. The bus may be the same, no doubt. The sight of the bus, it fascinated her, no doubt. But at the same time, she saw new strangers, new passengers were there inside the bus. वो उसको बहुत ज़्यादा attract करता था. Day after day, she watched the bus, and gradually a tiny wish crept into her head and grew there. So day after day, she fascinated more. Okay, her experience become now exact. उसका वो experience जो देखी जा रही थी अनुभव वो बढ़ती जा रहा था, passionate हो गया था उस चीज के लिए. And a tiny wish means एक छोटी सी इच्छा उसके दिमाग पे बढ़ती जा रही थी. She wanted to ride on that bus, even if just once. बस में बैठने की इच्छा उसकी पैदा हुई एक बारी से. The wish becomes stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire. Wish become now stronger. I feel passionate together, passionate हो गए थे बस में बैठने के लिए, और इतना ज्यादा हो गया था कि उसकी डिजाइनर से भी ऊपर जा रहा था. Wally would stare wistfully at the people who got on or off the bus when it stopped at the street corner. So she usually observed that the people that who were traveling in that bus, they were just got on then off the bus when it stopped. देखती थी किस तरह से पैसेंजर्स उतरते हैं, फिर नए पैसेंजर्स चढ़ते हैं और फिर इस तरह से बस चलती जाती है. Their faces would kindle in her longings, dreams and hopes. उनके चेहरे give a fire feelings के faces जो देखती थी नए नए पैसेंजर्स में, उसमें वो चीज अपने अंदर अंदर और ज्यादा पैशनेट होते जाती थी, और ज्यादा उसकी ड्रीम्स होप्स राइज होती जाती थी. If one of her friends happened to ride the bus and try to describe the sight of the town to her, Wally would be too jealous to listen and shout in English, proud. Okay. If anyone in her street just said about riding a bus, she would become a jealous. And what she shout? And she became to shout and spoke proud. Though she didn't know the meaning of the proud. Okay. अगर कोई बस राइडिंग के बारे में उससे कोई जिक्र करता तो ये थोड़ी सी शाउट मतलब इरिटेट हो जाती थी समझ में उससे थोड़ा सा जेलस फील होता था and she shouted like in English she spoke proud. Neither she nor her friends really understood the meaning of the word. इस word का meaning ना तो उसके दोस्त समझते थे ना person खुद भी नहीं समझते थे. But they used to often as a slang expression of disappointment. तो उन्हें लगता था कि this is a sign of a disappointment, disagreement is there. So we can see that he riding in a bus now become a passionate for the world. उसके लिए passionate थे when should I or ride on a bus. This is a aim एक ambition बना लिया उसका. धीरे-धीरे वो ambition बहुत strong होते जाते. Now next line I would like Devraj Jat to read it. Devraj Jat.
Over many days and months, Valli listened carefully to conversations between her neighbors and people who regularly use the buses. And she also asked a few discreet questions here and there. This way, she picked up various small details about the bus journey. The town was 6 miles from her village. The fare was 30 paisa one way, which is almost nothing at all. She heard one well dressed man say, but to Wali, who scarcely saw that much money from one month to the next, it seemed a fortune. The trip of the town took 45 minutes. On reaching town, if she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paisa, she could return home on the same bus. This meant that she could not take the 1 o'clock afternoon bus. She, she reached the town at 2:30.
Okay, thank you so much. Over many days and months, Vali listened carefully to conversation between her neighbors and people who regularly use the bus, and she also asked a few discreet questions, careful questions, means here and there. So for over many days and months, Vali just listened the conversation between the neighbors and between the family members also who regularly used to use the bus, and she get careful questions about here and there. She asked some excitement is there in her mind, so she asked about riding a bus. Careful, this important questions. वो जब सुनती थी कि नेबर्स या कोई फैमिली मेंबर्स बात करते थे तो वो बड़े गौर से सुनती थी और वो क्वेश्चंस भी पुट अप करती थी. Okay. This way, she picked up very small details about the bus journey. In this way, by asking questions to the neighbors or anyone else, in this way, she collects details about riding a bus. The town was 6 miles from her village. She got the first information. The town was 6 miles. 6 mile की दूरी पर वो पास का nearest town था. इतना distance. Second information, the fare, the bus charge is 30 paisa one way. एक तरफ का रूट का 30 पैसा, दो तरफ का 60 पैसे, which is almost nothing at all. She heard one well-dressed man said, but to Wali, who scarcely saw that much money from one month to the next, it seemed a fortunate. The trip to the town took 45 minutes. Third information. Okay, the trip to the town it took 45 minutes. 45 मिनट लगते हैं वहां तक जाने के लिए. On reaching town, she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paise, and then she could return back home on the same bus. This meant that she could take the 1 o'clock after bus and reach the town at 1:30, 1:45 and be back home by about 2:45. Okay, so in this way, she just get information about riding a bus. First information is that he know the distance about the town to her village. Okay, it was 6 miles. then the bus fare is about 30 paisa on the one way. If it is two way, then it is 60 paisa. Then she got information about the time taken. It took 45 minutes. Okay. So in this way, he just get all type of information about riding a bus and journey to her village to the nearest town. ये पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट कर ली कि उसके घर से लेके नियरेस्ट टाउन तक कि क्या क्या इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए था, उस सब कलेक्ट किया उसने. On and on went her thoughts as she calculated and recalculated, then planned and replanned. उसने पूरी तरह से प्लान किया, replanning की, everything just information सारी निकाली और उसे पता कर. Now page number 119, part 2. We are going to start part 2. Well, one fine spring day, the afternoon bus was just on the point of leaving the village and turning in the main highway when a small voice was heard shouting, "Stop the bus, stop the bus," and a tiny hand was raised commandingly, right? So one morning, spring day, it was their afternoon, one afternoon, the bus was just as it was leaving the village. A voice, small voice was heard, and that voice was shouting, "Stop the bus." एक दिन स्प्रिंग डे में आफ्टरनून का टाइम था, तभी जब बस वहां से जा रही थी तो एक बहुत छोटी सी स्मॉल वॉइस सी आवाज आई और उसने बस को रोका और हाथ दिखाया. ठीक है. The bus slowed down to a crawl. बस धीरे धीरे क्रॉल, धीरे धीरे उसकी स्पीड क्या हुई, कम हुई. And the conductor, sticking his head out of the door and said, "Hurry then, tell whoever it's so to come quickly." कौन आना चाहता है जल्दी जल्दी आओ. The conductor just give the reply. So जल्दी बुलाया पैसेंजर को, just put it inside there. "It's me," shouted Wally. "I am the one who has to get down." उसने कहा मैं आना चाहती हूँ अंदर. It's me. By now the bus had come to a stop. And the conductor said, "Oh, really? You don't say so." Conductor का मुझे तुमने बताया है कि तुम आना चाहती है करके. "Yes, I simply have to go to town," Wally said. Wally replied that she also want to go to town. And still standing outside the bus, "And here is my money." She just gave the money to the conductor. And she showed him some coins. Okay, but first you must get on the bus. उसमें अंदर तो चलो, said the conductor. And he stretched out a hand to help her up. उसको ऊपर आने के लिए उसने just conductor gave his hand. "Never mind," she said. "I can get on by myself." उसने कहा मुझे चलिए नीचे मैं खुद आ सकती हूँ, चढ़ सकती हूँ. तो जो 8 years की लड़की कितना bravely ये तरह का अकेले only journey करना, it's really means कितनी bold girl थी. The conductor was a jolly sort of nature, fond of joking. कंडक्टर थोड़ा मजाकी टाइप का था, jolly nature था, मिक्सर बहुत जल्दी कर देते. "Oh, please don't be angry with me, my fine madam." "Oh," he said, "here, have a seat right up there in front. Everyone move aside, please. Make way for man." इनका तुम्हारी सीट वो रे और वहां जाके बैठ जाओ. उसने मेहनत करके बोला, एक छोटी सी 8 years old गर्ल, और कहा कि इनको थोड़ा रास्ता तो जाने के लिए. So everyone in the bus, this passenger, they just looked at the 8-year-old girl. It was the slack time of day, and there were only 6 or 7 passengers on the bus at that time. उस बस में उस समय 6 to 7 passengers ही थे. They were all looking at Wally and laughing with the conductor. Conductor jolly type का nature था, so they made fun of it. So they were all looking at Wally and laughing with the conductor. Wally was overcome. Wally was overcome with shyness. थोड़ा शर्मिंदा महसूस. Everyone looked at him in a very awkward manner. Avoiding everyone's eyes, she walked quickly to an empty seat and sat down. और वो सब चीज को avoid करते हुए she just moved to her seat and sat there. और वहां जाके अपने सीट पे बैठ गई. So students, we have seen how the journey of to riding a bus became a passionate for Wali, and she proved it that one. Then in the next class, you will see what are the problems she used to face in her journey. Okay, so I hope whatever we have discussed, it must be clear to you.